Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to make Bing as your default search engine. So, if you want Bing as your default search engine, firstly click on three dot. After click on setting. That is. Scroll down. And this search engine used in the address bar. So click on this is history, Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, etc. So click on Bing. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy. First you click on three dot. After click on setting. After click on search engine used in the address bar and select history in Bing. That is very easy and simple method. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.